Ever since adopting my son from the foster care system and then discovering that, oh, we actually all have some trauma, I have asked two questions. One question would be, how do we actually heal after trauma? The second question is, how do we accelerate that healing journey to not waste any more time in our life? In all of my years as a physician, first in general surgery, attachment trauma, and now as a board certified addiction medicine physician, I have discovered that there are two things that really hold people back in this healing journey. The first would be a misunderstanding that trauma is our psychology. The truth is, trauma is our biology. It gets stored in the nervous system in our body. The second misunderstanding then is that the best approach to resolving trauma is to be focusing on changing our thoughts, talking about the story, and focusing our efforts on the brain exclusively. The truth is, by understanding the biology of trauma and the ways in which it has predictably affected the other systems and tissues in the body, not only is it essential to focus just as much on the biology on this healing journey, but we can actually leverage these biology points. In fact, the same systems that stored the trauma, we can leverage those to accelerate the healing journey. Some of the questions I will be answering on this summit include, what biological factors make a person predisposed to trauma in their life? What is the biology of trauma? What are these predictable ways in which trauma affects other systems and organs in our body? What are the symptoms? What are lab findings that we can expect after a person has stored trauma in their body? And then most importantly, what are solutions? What are the strategic ways in which we can leverage our biology, even that same biology that stored the trauma, in order to accelerate the healing journey? So welcome. What an honor for me to have you here on this Biology of Trauma Summit.